Welcome to your first video on Python programming basics course. Before I teach anything, you must know first what is Python. Python is a high-level general purpose programming language. A high-level programming language is a programming language with strong abstraction from the details of the computer. It has many uses, like web programming, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and game making, and is also used by a large number of organizations, including Google, NASA, Facebook, Amazon, CIA, and Disney. To install Python, just go to Google and type Python. Go to Welcome to Python and click Windows if you are using Windows or Mac OS if you are using it. Then click this file or any of them. After you have installed Python, these 4 files must appear in your desktop. Most of our job is with this. And that is everything for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.